In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to write scripts. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are there, you will land on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can create and manage different notebooks for different projects. Keeping separate notebooks for separate videos or topics can help you stay organized as your sources grow. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This opens a fresh workspace where you can bring in research and start turning it into usable script material. Now it is time to upload your sources. In the pop-up, select the sources you want to use. Notebooklm can work with things like PDF documents, YouTube links, or files from your drive. After you add them, they will appear in the source panel on the left side. This panel is important because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is using to generate answers. A helpful tip is to choose sources that match the tone and goal of your script, like a reference article, a transcript, or a planning document, so the output stays focused. With your sources loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. This is where you analyze the material by asking questions. Type a clear question or request, such as asking for a summary, key points, or a structured outline based on your sources. Notebooklm will respond with answers that include clickable citations. These citations matter because they let you verify where each claim came from, which is useful when you are trying to keep a script accurate and aligned with your references. After you get a helpful response, save it. On each answer, click Save to Note. This lets you collect strong lines, outlines, and supporting facts in one place, so you can assemble your final script faster without having to re-ask the same questions. To generate more polished outputs, look to the Studio panel on the right. From here, you can click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to create instant formats based on your sources. These can give you a strong starting draft, which you can then refine into a clean voiceover script using the notes you saved. With these tools working together, Notebooklm can help you turn research into a clear script efficiently. That covers everything you need to know.